how to post carousel on Instagram from Canva. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So basically what you're going to do is, of course, after creating the carousel that you want to have on your Instagram from Canva, as you can see here, we have an example over here. All you need to do is to click on share over here on the top right. And over here, you'll be able to see under the collaboration link, you have Instagram over here. So simply select this. If you're currently logged into your Instagram in your browser, it will automatically allow you to upload it. If not, it will basically just ask you to log in first before you will be able to share it. So that's basically it, guys. That is a very direct and very simple way. You can have as long as the carousel as you want. You can go as short as 4 pages or as long as 10 pages. It will automatically share that as a carousel, as long as, of course, or set up this properly set up as you can see, just like this one in our example. But anyway, that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.